The Minister of Forestry, Fisheries and the Environment, Willie Aukamp, has paid homage to Ernest and Diana Marais, who were hijacked and killed at the Kruger National Park last week. Now, the bodies of the elderly couple were discovered floating in the crocodile-infested Livubu River on Friday. They were last seen on Wednesday at the Pafuri picnic site in the far north end of the park. Now, the suspected murderers who made off with the couple's buggy are still at large.
I was, as all of you, so shocked when that happened. I'm actually still shaking where I'm standing. The Kruger family is not only the people that work here, it's every visitor that comes here. And it were family members that we have lost. But then there are a real family of Ernst and Dina Marais. I have spoken with the Marais family, and they asked me to convey the following. They said to me that Ernst and Dina was so in love with the Kruger National Park that they bought a house in Hoedspruit when they retired, because they wanted to be close to this place. And they asked me to urge every single person out there that loves the Kruger National Park to keep on coming to this park, because we cannot let the bad guys win.